This is the BLDC motor from a copier machine. So normally, see, it's like this. It comes like this, and this one is the rotor. The rotor is an outer runner. So I have taken them off. You see where the three phase comes out from. These are where the three phase is come out from. Maybe you can see the wire like this. I have separated them, and the tapping point are also three. I have separated them. So what I am going to do now to increase the speed at the same torque is I'm going to, it was the Y configuration before, so I'm going to connect it to delta. So that is what I'm going to do now, and I'll be back shortly. The starter, as you can see, they are 12 starters, three phase 12 starter, and the magnet, the magnet is 8, north south north south north south north south, 8. You see, so that's how the winding is to match the magnet. So I'm going to do that now, and then in a short while I'll be back. Now this is how it looks. So it's now it's in data format. Now you can see them. The tapping point has been connected to the output. Simultaneously. So the one coming from one winding will go to the next one, so on and so forth. So maybe I'll show you the diagram. Just ask for it. I'll send you the diagram. It's very easy. I think I have it in my previous video, but ask for it. I'll send it to you personally. Thank you. So now I'm going to couple it up, then we'll test. So this is how it comes out. I'm not going to need this one. This panel is the controller before, so I'm going to use a 12 volts or something like that, 24 volts BLDC controller to drive it. When I finish, this will come in here like this. Then from a piece of this aluminium, I'll use it as a frame. So this is going to be my base. I made it out of this aluminium plate. So you see it. This will be here, and this will enter here. So I put them together like this. And I have this 12 volt BLDC motor controller that I put together for my experiments, so I'm going to use it. So these are the three phases, and this is positive and negative, and then the potentiometer. Then I have this LIPO battery, 4 amp, 12 volts, 4 amp. I don't know that you can see the 12 volts. It's 4 amp hour. So I'm going to put it together, and I will test it. So I put them together. As you can see, those have been connected to the BLDC controller. The BLDC controller connected to the battery. Now it should run when I turn this potentiometer. So I'm going to use it to drive the load. We'll see. high torque. It's connected. See, the light is brighter. It's brighter.